Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Vanessa Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a prompt game that me and Mrs. Gigi does on my channel on her channel. Her channel on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. On my channel at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is the prompts here. And this is my two projects. Now, I don't remember the date we did this one, so I'm just going to go through the prompts and let you know what I've done. On this one here, I think I missed a prompt. Oops. We're supposed to have string and then bubble wraps right here. A paint pen, which is the gold color you see right here, going all the way around. A paper button. And then we did scrapbook paper, which I have here. And also over here. Coffee dyed. I didn't have my coffee dye paper with me, so I took some Tim Holtz distressed crayons in brown and made my book paper look like it was distressed. Okay, it could be either coffee or tea dyed paper. And then we had some blue over here, and then I wanted to add a word that said happiness. Okay, that wasn't one of the prompts, but I did it. And on number 2, we did some doodles, which, Then we had graph paper, which I made myself. My doodles are the swirls. And then we had tape, which I took some washi tape and put it on the edges. And something from the kitchen. We had to use something from the kitchen. And what I did was use a spatula and made these lines here, And then we had circles. So I found something to make circles with. And then on the back side, we have felt with an alternative of gesso. So I use gesso instead of felt. And then we had a punch, which I did my little tree for the punch. So these are the two projects I did for these prompts. And this is a project share. Okay. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content. Also, please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, stay safe. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.